Hey guys, how's it going? How's everyone doing? Oh, we're back. Okay. Um, so guys, let's just double check the actual things working. Yeah, that's working all good. Let me just get a bit
Hey
of
guys,
music
how's it
on
going?
and we can
How's
get
everyone doing?
started. We can get started on this. I hope everyone's good. Who's in? Let me just share the live. Who's here? Put in the comments who's here, guys. Uh, it says we've got 5 people in. Let me just share the link to the Telegram. Okay, that's shared. Yeah, welcome guys. Let's get some music on. Yeah, nice to see everyone again for another session. Right, so let's see. Um, Welcome everyone. Welcome. Yeah, like I say, guys. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Like always, let's see who's here. Who's in the charts? We've got. Wait for a few more to join, and then we can break this market down. Welcome everyone. Cheers for the likes, guys. Like I say, always appreciate everyone who likes, subscribes. Thank you, guys. Afternoon, Duncan, mate. How's it going? Hope you're well. Oh, gold here. 1 second, guys. What is that range into there? That's the last 5 minutes. It's only 5 ticks. Because you can actually long that. Depending on how did the 15 close bullish as well. Tell you what, if this 5 flips, I think you're going to go higher. But let's see how far it pushes down first. Skate, how's it going, bro? Nice to see you again, Skate, mate. I'm good, how are you? How's your trading been going, Skate? Nice to see you again in the group, mate. In the group, in the YouTube. How's your head's done in? Yeah, bro. It can take a week, Duncan, to get used to the system. Don't worry about that. I'm interested in this 15, guys. The 15, this took liquidity nicely here. You know, but the only problem is it's all-time highs. You've got no real targets until you start you pull back at least to maybe here. We can get some 5-minute entries higher. Just give it like 2 minutes until this hourly closes. It'll tell us a lot. What is the blue and red box? Blue and red box. This here, top left. This is buy and sell. This is your buy and sell, Duncan. So your red's the sell, the blue's the buy. I think if that's what you're on about, mate. Skate, all good man, been on holiday in Spain for the last few weeks. No trading, just on golf. Good stuff, mate. Nice to relax, mate. Good stuff. Guys, will you let me know how the connection is on the YouTube? Is the connection good? Okay, or is it? It should be sweet. Just let me know. I think we're gonna continue higher. I am gonna do some. It's pointless doing any higher time frame analysis because we're at all-time highs. But I am gonna tell you what I'm looking at on the lower time frame in a second. No, the ones you had on chart. Blue and red box I had on chart. Let me just have a look. Do I have any? You mean these? These candles here? Duncan, mate? Good connection, nice, thank you. Oh yeah, let me just share the live to the community. Just in case anyone wants to join. Hey, Naeem, how's it going, mate? Good connection, thank you, Duncan, mate. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know. It's good to see. How's it going, Naeem? I know Chris just passed a 100k challenge, which is great. Absolutely perfect. I like to see that. Yeah, guys, give us let this hourly close, and then I'm gonna break gold down. No problems, guys. Just give it 2 minutes, and then we'll break it down. Good to see some familiar faces back, guys. Yeah, just give it 2 minutes and we'll break it down. I just want to see how this hourly closes, and then I'll do my analysis. Okay? We've literally got a minute and a half, guys. Yeah, Chris, congratulations, mate. Absolutely perfect. Literally. All you need to do now, mate, is just take it slow. Just $150 a day, mate. Build that balance up to maybe like 3-4k, and then you can take some profits. Just build it up over a month now, mate. Don't take it too quickly. Was sleeping, just woke up and saw my trade hit break even. Ah, where did you get? Oh, you entered down here, didn't you? I know you had an entry down here. I remember you putting it in the chat. But yeah, congratulations. If you're passing a 100k combat, 100k challenge like that, Chris, you know you're definitely on the road, the right path. Just keep doing what you're doing, mate. Every trade that you took is perfect to what I've seen. And what I'm gonna do, guys, actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break a few trades down really quickly before we continue any further, because there was a great opportunity to buy right here. And look at the analysis that I gave out, guys. I was saying to everybody in the community, I was saying, guys, don't be looking to be buying or selling just yet. You want liquidity to be taken. You know, you've taken this all-time high liquidity, which was your target if you was here. You know, that's your target. You're not buying here. You want to be buying when you've taken liquidity down here, so then you've got more liquidity targets above. So every time we're at all-time highs, I always say wait for a pullback, take the liquidity, wait for the range, breakout, continuation. And that's exactly what we did. Perfect. Look at this. You take your liquidity. Now what do you wait for? You wait for your range. A few of the guys actually took this... One sec, I need to move that back. A few of the guys actually took long on the next flip of this candle, which is valid. You know, you've taken your liquidity and you've closed holding this support. You know, you can continue higher. You can continue higher now, and, you know, if you took that, perfect. You know, you can go break even, take your partials, just let the rest run. And there was actually another confirmation trade here, guys. Look, you know, you look at this 5 minute. It's perfectly taken this liquidity, and it's held this range here, guys, from here to here. You know, below the level, you're going short. Above, you're going long. You're maintaining above, showing that confirmation. And then, you know, you're going long here into them highs. You know, you can have your stops just below the level and the liquidity grab, and bang, price smashes TP. So there's two perfect entries there. For longs, just based off the analysis that I give. And literally, when price was here, I said to the guys in the community, I'm waiting for this to happen. Bang, and then bang. And it literally, to the pip, to the absolute pip, guys. Came, took this liquidity, and then continued higher. Don't understand liquidity, the blue and red box. Ah, this blue and red box here. This is your entry. Duncan, mate, this is your entry. So if you're entering the market, say after the closure here, you know, there's your entry. The blue is the profit, and the red is the loss if it hits your loss. So, you know, we're risking here. You can see 17.4 ticks, and you're looking for 45 tick profit. So this blue above is your profit. This is loss if it does hit your loss. Yeah, that's that, mate. But for me on that, let me just have a look at this hourly. That's what we're interested in. Hourly is rejecting. Right, let's see. Okay, guys. Let's have a look at what gold's doing now. And you can see that gold's starting to range on this 5 minute. I do think that we can look for some pullbacks if we can break back below 25.12 here. You know, if we can break back below this level, you know, here, I think we can, after look at the hourly, how the hourly rejected and took this liquidity. I do think you can actually start to pull back a little bit after taking these highs now. Hey, how's it going? Hope you're well. Don't understand liquidity. Duncan, understanding liquidity is not easy. Just understand that liquidity is where retail traders have stop losses. So basically, if retail are looking at all-time highs now, where are they going to have the stops? These laws, these laws, these laws, okay? So if we know that they have their stops here, okay, what can we do now? We can look for entries down into their liquidity. So we can look for shorts down into here, okay? So that's exactly what I'm looking for now. You know, you can even trade this 5-minute range here, guys. You know, you've got a little range forming here, and you've just taken this liquidity. So let's see how price breaks out of this range. And depending on how it breaks to the downside, I'm going to try and see if I can take this liquidity here and here. Because just based on this hourly, guys, look at the hourly. The hourly took prior hour highs to the left. And it's just taken the hourly highs here. So we've taken the liquidity to the upside. I think a pullback is quite... I think a pullback's very possible. Hey, Messa, how's it going, mate? I hope you're well. How are you, mate? Have you been trading? I'm good. Good to hear, mate. Good to hear. How are you, Messa? Nice to see you back in the YouTubes. Guys, let's get the likes up. We're at 4 likes. Let's get to 10 likes. You know, we're at 4. Let's shoot it up. I hope we can get to 10. Nice. I'm guessing you took longs, Messa. I'm guessing you took longs, bro. The perfect long for me today was here. You know, that long today. And I called it perfectly. I called that perfect. Forgot to ask, how's your grandma? She's good now, thank you, mate. She had a fall yesterday, but yeah, that's why I was... That's why I wasn't on the charts early this morning, because I was awake till like 3. So, yeah, I haven't slept since I woke up at 7, but at least I had like 3 or 4 hours. Right, we're taking this liquidity to here now. I am interested. If we can pull back and close below 25.13, we're definitely going to come into this liquidity here. Okay. But thanks for asking, Naeem. I appreciate it, mate. Just worked 1 hour. That liquidity grab, awesome scalp. Perfect. Yeah, Messa, nice. 1600 today. Congratulations, mate. Very good. Very, very good stuff. See, guys, we're at 5 likes already. Nice one. Nice one, guys. Yeah, awesome scalp it were, Messa, definitely. Tell you what, a lot of people... I'll tell you what, a long here is very possible. I just don't like how... Look at these equal lows here, guys. We've got 2 equal lows here. I don't like to have my stop at equal lows. And that's the only reason I'm not taking this position. Even though it is at all-time highs as well. I never trade all-time highs as well, guys. That's one of my rules. Never trade all-time highs. I never trade when there's equal lows. So if you've got a double bottom, guys, I will never have my stop loss at double bottom. Never. Even if the setup's absolutely perfect, I will never have my stop loss at double bottom or equal lows like it is now. It's so bullish, yeah. 100% Naeem. Very bullish, mate. This is valid, guys. Don't get me wrong. That's a valid entry. Just not for me because equal laws, and that's a part of the strategy that I teach. I did take a little scalp. A bit late, but I still got a little piece. Thanks for the likes, guys. We're at 6 likes. Nice one. It's good. Appreciate you all. Yeah, guys. Any other questions? Like I say, guys, on gold, the best case scenario now for me is if we can close back below 25.15, bearish, and then I'm gonna look to try and scalp these lows and then these lows. I'm sitting on the 5 minute today, guys, because normally when we're on the 15 and you get a pullback on the 15, you can trade the 15 higher. But because where we are, I'm using the same system just to look for like little 5-minute pullbacks just because we're on stream. Normally, if I weren't on live, I would wait for this to happen. Like I waited for this to happen and I said to everyone, wait for a pullback, take the liquidity and continue higher. I would wait for this to happen, take the liquidity and then continue higher. But because the way that gold's moving and the 5-minute, I can trade the 5-minute easily. There's no problem with that. Absolutely no problem with me trading the 5-minute. So we're just waiting for this 5 to close because 5 has taken liquidity. And look, we drove into this 3 times now. You know, drove once, drove 2, 3 times. Anybody who's long now, like retail traders, long here with the stops, they're going to get stopped out. So if this 5 closes bearish, I'll take a short. I'll have my stops on this high for, what's that? 20 tick stop. So we've got a minute until this finishes, guys. Guys, how's the audio too? Is the audio good? Have you reached your first million in trading? Not yet, mate. In funding, I've had over 1 million in funding, yeah. I'd definitely say it over the time, definitely. But have I had 1 million in gains? No. I'm not gonna lie and say yeah, I have. Definitely not. Well, soon, but not yet. Welcome everyone, welcome. 6 likes, 4 to get to 10, guys. Alright, let's wait for this to close. A little top wick. Oh, it's gapped straight up. That's disgusting. Why is it gapped like that? I want to take short. Wow. I wanted to take short there, but it just gapped straight up. That would have been the position. That's annoying. Oh well. See, if this didn't gap, guys, that would have been your top wick, and then it would have flipped here. So, it's a bit hard to get in on that. That's annoying, that gap, because that would have been perfect for a bottom wick. Let's have a look at this. Because you can actually take the break of this low now. And you can have your stops wherever the high is created. If it starts to reject, I'll put this in down. And then I'm looking to see if price can come all the way down here. Guys, I'm not in this yet, by the way. Not in, one sec. Not in this yet. I'm just marking it up, just so I can keep my eye on it. So if this starts to reject, then yeah. One sec, guys. Let me just keep my eye on this. One sec, the music's gone off. I just need to put that back on. Sorted. Yeah, because if this starts to reject now, guys, I'll have my stops here at like 15 ticks, half risk. And when this flips and breaks this low, I'll be in. I'm just going to see if it's going to do it on this candle. Because if the momentum's there to continue this down, you know, as soon as it comes into here, like 10 ticks, you can break even and continue lower. That'd be the idea. But is it going to do it in the next 2 minutes so I can get in? Don't worry, guys. There's no entry yet on this. I've not got an order in. If it does start to reject, I will put it in. I'll let you know. What are the wicks? The wicks? These are the wicks, Duncan. These are liquidity grab wicks. What you tend to see as well, Duncan, on liquidity grabs, it tends to be a wick. It's not a body. A body's a fake out. But what you tend to see is like, yeah, this is a wick, but on the lower time frame, like the minute, it's a body. So this is a fake out, but like on the 5 minute, it's a liquidity grab wick. So whenever you see like a wick, on the lower time frame, it's a body. So like, for example, let's just look at the 5 minute of the liquidity grab this morning. Look at the liquidity grab here. You know, on the 30-minute, it's a wick, like a big rejection wick, but on the, like, they say the 1 minute, it's a body. Look, body down, body up. That's just how it works. Good question though, mate. If anyone's got any more questions, let me know. Cheers to the likes, guys. 8 likes. I appreciate you all. Nice one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. As always, I'm not in this yet, guys, by the way. I just like to mark it up to see where my stop loss would be, because this is a double bottom now, so I'm very interested in taking some of these lows. I'm just going to delete that for now. Just going to keep this liquidity grab in here. If this 5-minute close is bearish down here somewhere, then yeah, I'll take continuation play down for sure. Where did you learn to trade? I learned I've been trading like 7 years. I can't go through all the resources that I've learned to trade. So many different things, YouTube, you know, online, different people. Like, when you've been trading 7 years, you pick up like different things from different, like, so many different people, you know. So I can't go through like all the people over the years where I've learned to trade. But yeah, I learned to trade obviously through resources online, YouTube, myself, back testing. Let me say 90% or, well, 50% of, let me say 50% of learning to trade is by yourself, learning like your own system on back testing and collecting data and journaling and psychology. Like, yeah, learning a system's great. You need like somebody to teach you a system that's really good, like on a strategy, but in terms of trading, like, you'll pick it up most of it on your own. But you definitely need to learn a strategy that works for sure. If you haven't got a strategy and a mentor that teaches a strategy that works, then you're buggered. Right, here we go. I'm looking for a bearish close on a 5 to take this short, guys. I like how we've just taken this high as well. But yeah, Duncan, after like 7 years of trading, you pick up most of it. You pick up a lot of it from all different people, and then when you find a strategy that works, you stick to it. Oh, here we go. Right, so we've got 15 minutes until actual US opens. If we can close bearish, guys, I'm going to look to see if we can take this double bottom out, because it is a nice, it's clean here. I think this is going to get taken soon. And I'll probably have stops. Because it's like, what, 7 ticks, I'll probably have stops here at all-time high. Thinking that we can pull back a bit. I'm just trying to catch the pullback here, guys, on the 5-minute, because the 15-minute, guys, we could wait for like 2 hours on stream. Look, we could wait for 2 hours on stream for price to come down here for me to go long. So if I can just trade a 5-minute little pullback, you know, take 10, well, 20, 30 ticks, it's fine by me. Like I say, guys, if you've got any questions, put it in the comments. Let me see. Continuing higher. Gold, 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 gold. US volume will step in soon as well. That is not uploading. Just want to... So hourly is actually continuing higher, but we didn't take any laws. So we've still got like 3 hourly laws to take. I do think that gold is going to pull back soon. I really do. Just when. This looked good for a pullback, but it's just continuing higher. We have got a double bottom here, double bottom here. So if it does pull up, take these highs, then yeah, I am looking to go short. Yeah, Naeem, you probably, if that's not the liquidity grab that high, you're probably going to see something like this. The true liquidity grab, and then the fall. Yeah, because if this red candle is a liquidity grab, yeah? If this isn't a true liquidity grab, then it'll go on liquidity grab again, and then go. So, we just need to make sure that we catch the right liquidity grab. And to do that, we need a nice closure below this level. Because can you see how we had this liquidity grab, and then we've reacted away, closed above, and now we're reacting from it? If we can close back below this level, then this is confirmed liquidity grab, and then we can go lower. If not, you need to wait for this. Higher, closure, continuation. Welcome everyone, welcome. Hope everyone's doing good. 13 people in. Right, so this is actually interesting, guys. Don't think that because price is coming to take this high, the shorts are off the table. They're not. Everything's the same, look. You've still got a double bottom to take here, and you've still got liquidity to take here. So the only thing you need to do now is wait for price to take high and close bearish, below level, continuation. Okay? But yeah, let's go, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know. I'm waiting for gold to pull back a little bit. Look at the weekly. Look at the monthly as well. Crazy. That month's crazy on gold. Another thing, look at the monthly on gold, you know. 1st of February, you took the low, okay? Since that, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now 8 months without taking monthly lows. And the month closes in 10 days. So it's probably going to be next month, if anything, you're going to take it. Right. Come on, gold. So you've got resistance, 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 acting as support. And that's why you wait, guys, for your closes. Look at this. I said, you know, you've got this liquidity grab here, yeah? You've got this liquidity grab candle, this red liquidity grab candle here. But until you close on this candle, until this candle, this green candle, closes bearish, you know, confirming it's a liquidity grab lower, then you can't enter, because this is exactly what's happened now at this support. You know, it's acted as support and continued higher. Until it closes bearish below, acting as resistance, then yeah, you can go lower. But now, people are stepping in longs. People are stepping in longs here. You know, stops here, looking for it to go higher. History being made on stream, gold prices, yeah. Thanks, Ron, bro. Yeah, man. Here we go. Yeah, it's just continuing higher. Hope you're well, Ron, mate. How's everything going? Have you traded since, bro? Cheers for the likes, guys. I appreciate everyone liking, subscribing. Thank you, guys. It's just annoying that US session on a Friday is at all-time highs. Because if it was in, say, you know, just after London session here, then we would have taken what? How many pips would we have taken from that push? You know, into that all-time high. You'd have taken like 63 ticks on stream, which is annoying. But we can see if we can try and take a pullback trade for sure. Hourly, 30-minute was actually quite clean to continue higher. But it's just the fact that why would you buy at all-time highs into what target? You know, you've got 10 ticks, you've got 15 ticks into all-time highs again. You know, your stop loss would have to be here, and then you trail it, but... None since London? Yeah, fair enough, Ron, bro. What is going up? Yeah. Yeah, grabbing stop losses, Naeem, exactly. So what you tend to find as well is that people will be trying to short now. You know, look at this red candle. A lot of people will be shorting here. Stops on the red candle, looking for it to go down. Now they're getting stopped out. So what you need to see now, guys, if you want to go lower, is like a closure. Liquidity grab continuation. It's just in a bad area for me on gold, to be honest. But yeah, Naeem 10. Yeah, 10 micro lots make a full lot. So if you want to trade half risk, just trade like 5 micro lots and take maybe 2 or 3 as a partial. It's a good idea, mate. But it's going to be tough to actually find a position, guys. You know, that was the position today. There, that move. That was your move today, guys. You know, London actually opened quite rangy, look. You know, London here at 7:45 until, you know, 9:30 did nothing. Then we had the pullback and then the continuation higher. You know, so that was the actual move today. And now it's just continuing off that move. But I'm going to see in the next 20 minutes if we can get a pullback trade. Yay, Callum, how's it going, bro? Are you good, mate? Hope you're well. How are you finishing the week up, bro? How's your week finishing up? I know you was up on your account. Oh, you guys, we've had 2 people in the community smash accounts today. Well, this week, 2 people pass challenges, which is great. Is there any way you can close trades individually after? Yeah, you can take profits, Naeem. You can just sell. So if you're in a buy here, Naeem, say for example you're in a buy here, 2 contracts, and you want to take partials here, just sell 1. Sell 1 at market price. Right, sorry for the drawings, but that's market price. So sell 1 at market price, and then this 2 you'll take your profit here, and this will change. This will change to 1. Yeah, so that's how you take your partials on it, man. Two decent trades so far today. Great stuff. Just keep consistent, mate. Like, guys, let me just show you some on my Top Step X accounts. You know, 1800 in profit, like just trading it. And last month I took a profit splits on them as well. So you just gotta take them slowly. No need to rush. Happy to end it there for the week. Yeah, good, Callum. No rush for another trade today. Yeah, no need, bro. Definitely no need. Just keep consistent. Like, don't get complacent. I tell you what, though, guys, I think this will get taken today for sure. This liquidity here. I don't know when it'll be, but when it happens, it'll be like this, in 2 candles. Guys, we need 2 likes to get to 10. Please drop us a like. Two lights and we're at 10. I appreciate it all. I know it doesn't seem a lot, but to me it does. $13 people in, welcome all. 16 in. 16 people in. Yeah, guys, for me today on the 5-minute, overall targets is here. So I'm just waiting for some bearish price action to take these out. Okay? Bearish price action. Then we can short down. Okay? That's the plan, guys. Because the 15 and the 30 is fairly bullish for now. But when you're trading all-time highs, just be careful. Would you mind doing a small video on that? For some reason, when I try it, it closes the whole lot. Really? Yeah, I can do that, Naeem, no problem. No problem at all. No problem at all. I can actually do that maybe today or tomorrow. Yeah? I'll do it today or tomorrow. Because it is a good question. A lot of people want that. If you've got any more questions, let me know, guys. New York opening in a minute, yeah. 1 minute until New York, and then a bit more volume. Bit more volume. That's why I'm staying on, guys. You know, we are at all-time highs, and I normally would come off stream, but New York opening in a minute. I'll leave it for another 30 minutes, maybe. But I do think this liquidity is going to get taken very quickly. Look at it. I think we're going to come down fairly quickly. Take your time. Yeah, of course, Naeem. Always. Always, mate. Dun, dun, dun. Cheers for the lights, guys. We're at 9. Perfect. Appreciate it all. Oh, we're at 10 now. Nice. Just noticed it. I think. Yeah, nice one. Ooh. Took that liquidity and continued higher. Yeah, I hope that gold can pull back a little bit. I'm just trying to find... Because for me, guys, on gold, normally, best thing to do at all-time highs here, you don't buy here. Just wait for this. Then you've got clear liquidity. Like today, no clear liquidity here. Pull back. You've got your clear liquidity. You continue into this. Okay? But yeah, guys, a bit of a bland one. Not much going on. We're just at all-time highs on gold. Like, yeah, you can get interested and try and long it, but nah, not for me. I mean, to try and wick fill all-time highs, yeah, but not for me. You could try and wick fill all-time highs on the 30 as a 30 position. Because you've had your liquidity grab here, but nah, guys, I'm being cautious. Extra careful all-time highs. You know, you've had your liquidity grab here. You've had your break above here. You know, effectively, and that's the thing, guys. At all-time highs, price action just isn't the same as it would be if it was all the way down here. Because if this was all the way down here, guys, taking liquidity, then yeah, this would be a nice buy. But because we're all-time highs, a lot of people are selling and getting out the positions. So why would you try and force a long entry? So I hope you understand that. Like, yeah, this is a decent entry here. Because look, your liquidity grab, you're closing above your level. You know, you can try and wick fill higher into there, but obviously the stop loss is like a 1-to-1, 1 to 1.4. But I tell you what, let me just tell you, if this price action here, okay, was here, we'd be in a position, you know, we'd be in a position. But you just at all-time highs, you see a lot of fake outs. Look, all-time high, fake out, all-time high, fake out. Look, now if you close below 25.15, it's a fake out and you can continue lower. And look, exactly what I said, guys. Be careful. Straight back down. Welcome, everyone. Like I say, guys, anything you want to ask, get it in the comments. Let's see what everyone's saying. I'm gonna see. Like I said, guys, this double bottom here will get taken today. And this liquidity here. But I'm just waiting to see if we can close below. You know, you've had that nice 3-candle pattern here. High, taken, push. Effectively, this should continue lower. But like I say, look, guys, you're coming into a big level here now. This is a make or break for gold. If it closes below here, then yeah, great. You can look for shorts. I'm not looking for shorts until we break below. Look, because you're starting to reject exactly how I thought. People going in short are just going to get chopped up. You know, if you're going in short here at the level, you're just going to get chopped up and in stop loss. Close below, yeah, absolutely fine. Yeah, Naeem, let's go down and take this liquidity. I agree, bro. I agree. I did say when it comes, it's going to take this candle in like two candles. Tell you what, if we can close below here, I might take a cheeky short trade down into here, 15 ticks. I'm just going to see how we close on this 5. I'm just cautious that we are at a big level here too, you know. But yeah, this is going down. You still got liquidity here to take as well. You got 2 minutes until it closes. I'm waiting for a closure, guys, because this could still wick this level and continue higher. Okay, guys, see Goldie. Look at this hourly close as well. 20 minutes. Yeah, I think we can continue lower now. 3 candle pattern as explained. You know, you can go short here. In an ideal world you can, but not when you've got this level here, like 8 ticks. I do think we can go down though, but we have just taken 15 lows. We just need to wait for this to close, because there is still liquidity down here, and it is respecting this level, as I said, guys. It's respecting this level now. I just don't like how we've got double bottoms here. They need taking. Okay, interesting gold. Mm-mm. 55-minute closed. Bullish, respecting the level. And guys, that's why I say wait. People going short here, look at that, instantly into drawdown. It's stupid. Let's wait on this 5 close, or maybe even the 15. The 15 is going to close in 4 minutes as well. Yeah, guys, if you've got any questions, let me know. In the meantime, let me know. Yeah, feel free to ask anything in the comments, guys. Absolutely fine. Right now, I'm waiting for gold to close below 26.15. Feels strange saying that. It's normally 25. 26.15. And then I think these lows can get taken. One sec, guys. Back in a minute. Right, hey guys, no problem. Right, so yeah. 11 people in. Welcome everyone. Hope everyone's good. Hope everyone's had a good trading day as well. Hope everyone's been smashing it. How's everyone's week been this week? Trading week. How's everyone's trading week been? And if you're not, guys, already, please drop us a subscribe. If you're not subscribed, guys, to the 11th, 12 people here, if you're not subscribed, please drop us a subscribe. I do appreciate it. So yeah, I'm really interested in how this 15 is going to close, because if this 15 closes rejecting, I think you're going to continue higher on the next, and then the hourly. It's just tricky where we are. All-time highs, guys. It is tricky. It's not as clean as it were this morning down here. Like, this is just easy price action. Easy 50 ticks, easy 60 ticks into the highs. Simple. Right now, not the best, but we can work with it. We can definitely work with it. Dun, dun, dun. But yeah, guys, put in, how's your trading week been? Win, loss, break even? How many trades have you taken? How many wins, how many losses? Let me know. I've currently taken 4 or 5 positions this week. I were travelling for like a day and a half though, so it's not always best. Right, guys. So 1 minute now. Well, 36 seconds until we close here. And then we can see what price wants to do. Really, I want to break below this resistance. Well, acting as support now, but prior resistance. 10 likes. I appreciate you all, guys. Thank you for the 10 likes. Nice one. Nice one. Appreciate it. Ooh. Is this going to continue higher on this next 15? Potentially. Let's see. You know, you've acted as support of this prior resistance to then continue higher. You know, you've got 25 ticks there. But you'd want a bottom wick to form first, guys. You need price to push down a little bit and then flip. It's just going to continue, maybe. Dun, 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 dun. Like I say, guys, if you've got any questions, let me know. This long is valid, but not where we are. Don't think I'm taking that, I'm not. Gold is in the middle of nowhere, by the way, guys. It's literally all-time highs. Like I said, for the people who have just joined the live stream, I know 3 or 4 people have just joined, you want to be buying gold like here and here, you know, not here. If you're buying gold here, you know, price could easily pull back and then continue higher. You know, you're going to take all this drawdown. No, you want to be buying here. You know, maybe you can take some pullback sells. That's absolutely fine. You know, you can take some pullback sells. That's fine. Like I've been looking for pullback sells here. One sec. I was looking for pullback sells here. You know, even here, but you know, price is pulling back, continuing, pulling back, continuing. So it's a bit messy right now on gold. You know, it's not clean. So I'm just gonna give it another 10 minutes. Let this hourly close. Depending on how this hourly closes, guys, depends on what I'm gonna do. Like if we can. Let me tell you this, guys. If this hourly closes and it doesn't close below this resistance here, then I probably will not stay on. I'll probably just update the community. Like, if the community are trading, obviously I'll trade with them, keep updating my levels. But I'm not going to stay on until we close back below this resistance here. You know, because when we close back below this resistance, you're probably going to pull back further. You know, you can take a trade, pull back trade further, and then you can take the long position after. That's the overall idea. But I'm not buying here, guys. There's no way I'm buying here. Why would you buy? For like 15, 20 ticks for... And 15, 20 ticks would be your final target. Dun, dun, Like I say, guys, if you've got any questions, let me know. Put it in the comments. One second, guys. I'm just going to get some more water. I'll literally be back in 30 seconds, okay? Right, I'm back, guys. I just needed a drink. Have you ever thought about doing a F2 a face-to-face session somewhere in the UK? Yeah, I'll tell you what, that's definitely something I'd do. Who would be interested in a face-to-face session, guys? Or like a meet-up kind of thing? Good question, Duncan. Is that something that people would be interested in? It's definitely possible. Maybe like a community member meetup or something, where anybody in the community we can all meet up or something somewhere in the UK. Naeem's in. Nice, Naeem. Good stuff, bro. Okay. Is this 15 going to pull back for us? It's all about this hourly. Manchester, Naeem, yeah, maybe. Yeah, Manchester'd be good. Manchester would be good. Yeah, Am would be in. Nice, Naeem, good. Duncan, yeah, definitely. I'll definitely think about doing that. Maybe near the end of the year. Or if not the end of the year, the new year potentially. That'd be a good thing actually. I think great idea. I think it'd help a lot of people, to be fair. Especially if people are interested in that, I'll definitely do it. You know, it wouldn't be something I'd just bring out myself. If it got a lot of interest and people said yeah, they'd come, yeah. What is this 5 gonna do? It'd be the last 5 of the hourly. I hope everyone's had a good trading week as well. My trading week's been has been good to say. I haven't been trading too active with traveling. But yeah, I'm still in profit this week for sure. Definitely. Like I say, I don't just look at a week of profit and think that, yeah, that's good. Like I look at it in terms of like what's it going to be like in another 10 days after the month, when the month closes. That's when I look at my profit. But this week, yeah. 2613 is a key level. 2613 is a key level. Yeah, definitely. And I like how this owl is starting to close. But yeah, it's a key level. I think we're going to come down into here soon. Welcome everyone. Hope everyone's doing good. We've got 11 people in. welcome you all. If you've got anybody here, the 11 people here, guys, comment. If you got a question, let me know. If you want me to do analysis on any other chart as well, guys, let me know. It's absolutely fine. We can have a look together. Like I said, there's not much we can really do now on gold. I'm just going to wait till this hourly closes and then assess. Once I've assessed the hourly, I'll go from there. If I think that nothing's going to happen in the next hour, we won't just sit here, guys. Anybody in the community, you'll get updated, as always. But if you're not in the community, you'll just have to come back next Monday for another an hour and a half, 2-hour session. If this closed any more bearish, I'd be looking at sells, guys. I love the community, so helpful. Yeah, appreciate it, thank you. Depends on the cost, lol. It would be free, Duncan. It would be free. If I do a meetup, guys, and it's with the community, I won't be charging. If you're in the community, you don't get charged for stuff like that. I don't need to charge people money to meet up. If you're in the community and you pay the monthly fee, yeah, it would be free. Hourly closure soon as well. We're actually creating a bit of a range here on gold now. You can say your range is like from here to here, resistance. You're actually starting to create a decent little range, but it's a range at all-time highs, so you can't buy the range. You can only sell if you close below. I'm up and Carla, what was your least we would know if our kit was set up properly and good to learn from each other? Yeah, exactly, Duncan. We can definitely do that. Maybe just a day somewhere, set up a day. Maybe just, I don't know, get an office or something for the day. Great idea. Definitely something I'd be interested in. Obviously, I've got other things to do first, but yeah, maybe at the end of the year or in the new year for sure. For the day, definitely. But thank you for the kind words. I do try to make the community the best place. See, we're getting this 3 candle pattern on the 15 now. What would the all-time high buys be? 15 ticks? How do you know where to put your levels? Duncan, when you're looking at price in terms of where you put your levels, you just got to make sure, like, ask yourself, right, I'm looking to buy into this liquidity above market, but when price is here, for example, where do I need it to close above in order to go long? And you can have your level, say, here. When it closes above here, you can go long, right? You close above the level because, look, resistance acting as support. You know, when you get above, you can go long. Bang, you go long. But in terms of, like, where do you need to put your levels, go on to the trading course content. Go to the trading course content, and there's a levels video. Let me see, one sec. Go to, yeah, trading course, and it's how to use levels on gold. Course video 4. Course video 4. Watch that, mate. If you've got any questions, let me know. But in terms of levels, you just want to make sure that you're asking yourself, where do I need to break above or below in order to go long or short? Simple as that. Like for me now, if you want a long, you don't want to be longing until you get back above this resistance, and you don't want to be going short until you get back below this, you know, resistance now acting as support. So if you close below this level, then yeah, bang, you can definitely go short lower. Say into this liquidity here. Oh, took that trend line. Guys, who's still here? Get in the comments if you're still here. I know Duncan's still here. I think I'm still here. Naeem. If you're still here, guys, put a comment. I want to see who's still in the YouTube. Let's see who's here. Duncan's here. Who's sticking it out until we try to find the position for the next 15 minutes? Naeem's here. Messer's here. How's it going? Looking for short, Messer? Me too, mate. I want to break below this resistance and support this level here. You know, guys, look. Resistance pushed down. Resistance rejected. You know, if we can get below here, then yeah, I'm shorting down into this. This is my range now, guys. This is my range. Yo, Callum, how's it going, mate? We've been live for 1 hour 15 now, guys. It's just unfortunate where price is when I came live. If it was here, I'd have took long. If this 5 can close below this level strongly, I'll take shorts down. Simple as that. And my first target will be here. I just be careful, guys, that you've got like 5-minute highs here that price could reverse into. Yeah, gold's not that clean today, guys. Just be careful. Look at that. 3, 4, 15-minute highs as well. So annoying. Be careful, guys. The 4 hours just opened too. So this could just be a bottom wick to go higher. It's just so... gold's just in a stupid place right now. It's in a hard place to trade. Because a lot of people who are going long or short now don't realise that this is just a H4 pullback to continue higher. Even though, look guys, bang, taking that liquidity, Even though I do think we push lower. You know, the H4 could pull back to say here. The 200 EMA is close, yeah, is it? I've only got ATR on at the moment, and we're at daily ATR highs. So you're probably going to get a reversal. Maybe fake short, potentially, yeah. You know, if price takes this liquidity here and then closes back above this level here at 26.15, you're probably going to see all-time high again. That's another possibility, guys. You just got to be aware of your levels, see how price is reacting from them, and execute depending on how it closes. Because, yeah, we can look for shorts, guys, if we close bearish because we're below the range and we've taken liquidity above. But if price then fakes out of this level and continues higher, then you can just switch it long into this high. You got to be so open to both longs and shorts on gold, and don't have one bias all the time. You know, you can be bearish here looking for shorts lower, but if price pulls back like it's doing now and breaks and closes above the range, bang, you're going long. Don't be too closed. Don't be too closed off to one side of the market. Like, expose yourself. Like, the amount of times, guys, where, oh, I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts if we close strong down here. And then, bang, we close bullish here. I'm longing into this liquidity. You know? Where in the UK am I? I am near, I'm in, like, near Burnley, Blackburn area. I'm going to see how this 5 closes. I hope it doesn't close like this. Yep. So boring price action on gold, guys. So boring price action. Right, guys, I'm telling you exactly what I'm going to be looking for now. Let's have a look at the 15. Okay, guys, on gold right now, this is my range. If we can get back above this sort of level here at 25.15 area here, you know, 25.15, then you can look to long into all-time highs again, and you've also got like some trendline liquidity coming into play here. Okay, so if we can actually close bullish, then I'm going to start looking for longs. Because I think this hourly can flip higher. And I think this H4 can get wick filled. Because we have just taken hourly lows as well. Which is interesting. And if you check the CME, there is a low... Once I can't see anything. There is a low volume now on gold. Yeah. Yeah, low volume on gold on the CME, yeah. I only checked that maybe like once or twice before. But yeah, the volume on gold's low, guys. Look at the range, guys. This range here is like 40 ticks we've been trading with, but London's like over 100. And now we're continuing down. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave the stream there. It's pointless just sitting on. I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to look for. So in order, because we've pulled back, guys, and we've taken some liquidity here. Now we've taken this liquidity to the downside, we've got nice targets above. You know, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 15-minute highs that we can actually look to target, you know, in this next hour. So for me, overall targets is all-time highs. We've taken and we've got a little pullback to go long. So in order for me wanting to go long, I want to break back above here, 26.15. If we can get back above there, I'll be playing or trading that range into all-time highs, okay? In terms of shorts, guys, you can look to take shorts, but keep in mind that you're coming into some decent levels on gold now. Look, guys, you're coming into, you know, some big areas of prior resistance. Now, this could act to support and go higher. So, yeah, trade with cautious. Trade with caution. It's 2 o'clock London time or going into US session, guys. Don't blow your accounts now. You know, it's Friday. Go into the weekend level-headed, you know. No, this is top dotted line is liquidity. That's my liquidity target, Duncan. If we close above 25.16, 26.15, I'm going to look to take longs into this high. We've just taken liquidity to the downside that I said at the start of the stream, and we're going to take these lows. But if we can get back above 26.15, I'm going to look to long. In terms of shorts, you can start looking to short down into these lows on the 5-minute. But there's just no entry, look, guys. You know, you've got 1, 2, 3, 5-minute highs, not taking any liquidity, so there's not much you can do. Fake short is just price pushing down, faking liquidity, and then continuing higher. It's a fake move to continue higher. It's just a liquidity grab. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be me for today's session. I'm gonna leave YouTube live, and anybody in the community, I'll update you if anything happens. But anybody on YouTube live, just remember, I'm looking to long above 26.15, and yeah, you can look to try and short into here. You know, but you know, is there enough range to short into there? It's the question. If we take this liquidity down here and start to reject, you know, you've got decent levels to then go long. Like we did this morning in London session here, look. You know, you pulled back, you took the lows, you continued higher. Now you're pulling back, taking the lows, pushing higher. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I hope everyone's good. Anybody in the community, stay active. And I will see you all for Monday's live session. Okay? Let me just put in... Bye, everyone. Hope everyone's had a good trading week. And I'll see you on Monday, guys. Cheers for the people who came in. Yeah. Hope everyone's good. And yeah, I'll see you all Monday. Yeah, you too, Messer. Congratulations on the 1600 today, bro. Don't stay level-headed. Don't lose it. But yeah, guys, sorry, I'm going. Peace.